So in this video we will see about that how our Helpdesk module will be useful for small repair industries, or let's say small repair companies which will repair anything. Let's say, just for one example, let's say mobile. When any mobile will come for repairing battery exchange or screen damage or something, then how our Helpdesk different modules will be get useful, and how you will be able to achieve the ticket generation functionality as well as the repair order generations functionality, plus the repair order invoices functionality as well, by using our module. Okay, so first of all, you will be able to see this is our Helpdesk module. This is a one kind of the ticketing dashboard. From here you will be able to manage multiple kinds of the tickets as well, and by going to this configuration as well, you will be able to define who will be the team leader and who will be the team member. These all kinds of the configuration you can be able to achieve here. Now basically from the teams configuration, we have also defined the incoming email configuration. So based on it, users will be able to define incoming email, and whenever any person will send an email directly or support ticket from that respected email, when this email will be get fetched, it will automatically create a ticket as well. So this functionality we have also covered in our module. Plus whatever the responsible user will be there, he can directly able to go to the dashboard, either from the dashboard or by going to this all tickets option. He will be able to generate a ticket. So let's create a ticket and show you one example. So you can create a ticket directly from this calendar view, or there are different kinds of the views as per the user's flexibility. Those are provided over here. Okay, so let me create a new ticket over here. All right, so you will be able to see, let's say a battery problem in Samsung mobile. Okay, and assigned team will be repair team. If you want to change it by configuration, you will be able to do that. Now if I will click on I take it, then automatically it will be going to be get assigned to the current logged in user, or else it will also be able to select it accordingly. Type repair, all the things. If you want to define the tags over here, you can be able to define some tags, and we have also defined the employees contract functionality as well in our system. So over here, let me just select this Helpdesk project or repair project. If you want to make a new project, you can also do it accordingly. Now here in this product information, I will be able to define the product name or something. So if the product is not purchased with our shop, then also it will be fine. If there will be a new product, then we can define the new product over here. If it is not so this all fields are not non-mandatory fields. So if you want to remain blank, you can do that. Now if I want to create a new customer, let's say Henry, so I will create a Henry customer, and I will be able to define this email ID to them. All these necessary information I will define, the phone number or this address informations I will be able to define it. Okay, and now basically if there will be regarding to any of these emails based on these stages, if I want to don't email this person, I can be able to define enable this. Okay, now after doing this, you will be able to see the unique ticket reference number will be get generated. Now basically when a particular worker or labor will start working on these timesheets, they will be able to click on start and stop button, and this all timesheets entry will come over here based on this whatever Helpdesk project, and with this description and the durations as well. Okay, now over here after that, if they want to directly send an intake form to this customer by this email, then they will be able to see click on this intake by email, and this intake there will be one ready-made email template that we have made over here. You will be able to see. This is a ready-made email template. Okay, and over here if I want to see the view intake, suppose if I am just click on view intake, then this view intake form will be visible to the customer. If the customer will be a portal customer, if we will give a portal rights to the customer, then it will be given to this customer, and from here they will be able to accept over here accept this invitation. So by default, just to show you the demo, I am I can accept also. So this timesheet information, all this information filled by the labor will come over here. I'm just clicking on this accept, and you can see this Henry sign is coming on. So I will accept and sign. Now basically let me just go to the back side again, and we'll go to the same ticket. And now after that, if I want to if I will generate a repair order directly from here, I can go with that. If I want to create any appointment, it is not mandatory, but if you want to create any appointment with the client, you can also do that. If I want to directly create a quotation before generating a repair order, so you can directly create a quotation and send to the client. So I'm just creating a quotation, and that customer will be automatically come over here. And here these order lines, I will be able to generate a quotation for, let's say, a battery or something. All this battery charger, if I want to generate here, let's say $50 or something, so I will be able to generate this and save this. After that confirmation, I will be able to generate a delivery order for this battery as well, and generate a customer invoices if I want. So I can be able to generate it. We can also select particular product based on the unique serial number wise or lot number wise if want, and I can also create an invoice based on that. Okay, you will be able to see confirm and paid invoices. I can be able to generate here. Okay, and over here if I want to create any repair order directly, then I can click on this repair smart icon, and directly from here I will be able to generate this repair order. So you can see battery repair. I will define all these things, schedule date and all this necessary information. Product to repair, I can, if that particular product is purchased from our side, then we can define the product. Okay, now over here, if there will be a new product, I can define that product name as well. So let's say Samsung mobile is here. Okay, and the related configuration, I can be also able to do it directly from here as well. Okay, all right, now I'm coming here direct on this repair order, and here you can be able to define the invoicing method, the warranty expiration if it is there, invoice method, that if you want to generate an invoice after repair or before repair, you can be able to generate it. Okay, now here I will be able to add and remove products. So first of all, I have removed a battery from here and add a new battery, right? So remove battery. If there will be a lot serial number, then I can also define it directly from here. Now let's say if I want to add a new battery, so I can define it this add battery, and again whatever this price will be there, I will be able to define this whatever these taxes after tax, whatever amount will be there. So I can define all these prices, whatever prices I want to define here. Okay, previously whatever sales quotation that we have generated, that was for that was about some random amount that we have generated. But if you want to give a quotation, then you can be able to give a perfect figure in this sales quotation, whatever required figure is here, right? So you can define all these things, and you can see a print quotation. You can, if you want to send quotation to the customer, you can do that. If you can confirm this repair, you can also confirm this repair over here. Then afterwards you can define the start repair, then end repair. This serial number is required for this particular product. Samsung mobile. Okay, so you will be able to define this repair. So define the serial numbers for this particular battery, what is the product, and then and repair. Okay, just a minute, what is the removable battery that we have defined, and also this whatever added battery will be there. After that it will be end repair, and whatever invoice regarding to this repair process we want to generate, we can be able to define we can be able to create an invoice. That invoice will be connected with this repair order as well. and you will be also able to generate the invoice. Let's confirm that, and afterwards you can be also able to define register payment, and you will be able to done it. Okay, create a payment, you will be able to done that invoice as well. So you will be able to see that in our system we whatever for this particular helpdesk ticket, whatever operations those were generated, create a quotation for some lump sum or random quotation that we have generated. But here if you want to give a quotation to the customer, then you will have to give a particular perfect abstract quotation which will be there as per the repair quotation over here. Okay, as you can see that this particular quotation you will be able to give to the customer. What is the invoice will be generated, this, let's say this one. So this particular quotation you will be able to generate. In this example we have generated some lump sum quotation, but you can be able to generate a perfect quotation and give it to the customer. After that if the customer will approve it, will confirm it, approve it, and you will be able to generate a repair order, and whatever repair order you will be able to define which part will be added, which part is discarded, you know, all this information defined. After that you will be able to generate the invoices, and whatever repair invoices will be there, those will be getting connected with this particular repair order as well. So this is one kind of a small example that we have defined. After that if you want to generate just same like this intake form, if you want to generate any outtake form and send outtake form by email to the customer, or if you want to view outtake form, let me show it to you how this outtake form will be getting displayed. So this is an outtake form, and after doing all these things and also filling up this timesheet information, you will be able to, the customer will be able to confirm and accept this outtake confirmation, right, or either reject it if his or she is disappointed with this with our services. Like this also if you want to create any visiting charge, like if you want to create any visiting charge invoice, suppose if customer is asking you to come at their place and just see this, suppose when it can be any kind of these appliances or something, right? So you can also be able to generate a visiting charge invoices as well. Plus if you want to blacklist any customer, then you can also do that. Apart from that you can be also able to see that you can the users can be also able to print the helpdesk ticket as well as intake form and outtake form if you want to give manually to the customers just to sign or something, right? Now after that you can be also able to see that the contract functionality we have also provided in our module. Now basically this contract functionality is for a small level industry or for big level industry. When any customer comes regularly in a weekly duration or in a monthly duration for servicing of these products, then for those customers you can define the these contracts. Different kinds of the contracts contains different kind of the services along with their quantity information, how much quantity of these services you are providing to these customers, and based on that whenever for upcoming durations these customers will be get served, then these quantities will be automatically get reduced from this customers invoice summary, and you can be able to generate an invoice for this contract, and after that this contract will come into the open stage, right? And you can also define this contract into pending stage and closed stage. Whatever these customer related tickets will be there, these all tickets will be getting summarized over here, and you can also print this contract details as well for this customer. Okay, so I think that's all about this helpdesk. How our helpdesk module will be able to give you the benefits about small service sectors or big service sectors, and how this application will be get useful for the small repair industries, big level kinds of the repair industries, and the users will be able to get the benefits from it, right? So that's all about this video. Our helpdesk module includes more features than we have given you the demo for, which will cover big kind of the industries as well. So if you are interested then please contact us, and if you will have any query then also please contact us. Our Skype ID is synconics.technologies and our email ID is contact@synconics.com. so please don't hesitate to ask us any questions, or if you will require any help then please contact us, or any Odoo support, any Odoo implementation, or any module customization, database migration, functional training, technical training, then we are already available for that. So please contact us. And that's it about this video. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.